welcome to Little Learning Corner. Today we're going to play Fish Food. It is 2 to 4 players, 4 and up. You put the card in, you have to say like what the color is, and then if it spits it out at you, that means you have another card.
Who is the winner?
He just tells you. He tells you if you're the winner.
It says you're going to play until one player has no cards left. Whoever has no cards left, then the fish will turn to you and say, you're a winner.
We're going to unbox it now.
What's here?
Here's the fish.
What's his name?
Nothing.
What's his name?
Here's nothing? His name is Goldfish. Here's the stand that he goes on. And here are all of the cards. Let's put this on the ground.
I should be 1, you should be 2, you should be 3.
1, 2, 3. One order.
I'm 3.
So we have red, green, blue,
Yellow.
and yellow. Those are the different colors of the cards. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn them on. Here. And he's going to come around to you, and if you're playing, you're going to push his fin. And so when he comes to 4, are we going to push his fin?
No.
No, because nobody's playing on that spot. Let's get started, fish.
Don't you?
Yep, push his fin.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes. Push it. Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Daddy, fish up.
Red.
See a worm around here?
Say red.
Oh!
Hey, I'm hungry.
It's green.
That's my favorite. Where's that worm?
Red.
Oh, that's tasty.
Not
Green.
green.
Anybody see a worm around here?
Green.
I'm winning.
Daddy,
Yellow.
You're a free.
where's that worm?
Blue. Don't put in blue yet, actually.
I love fish food.
Blue.
Oh, that's tasty.
Big fish.
Blue. Layton's winning.
Hey, I'm hungry.
Green.
Spit it out at her. Spit it out at. Spit it out at Layton. Please.
You big fish.
I love fish food.
Red.
That's my favorite.
That's you.
Layton's gonna win right now. She just won. Yellow.
Oh, that's tasty. You're a winner.
Yay!
Okay, I'll
He's the
pass
winner
out
of
the
round 1.
Let's play that again.
Who's the winner?
Layton.
Layton's a winner again?
You said I am.
Okay.
You